Let's talk about AS9100, what it really is and why it matters to you. You'll hear it called a quality management system, but in practice, it's much simpler than that. It's how we make sure the right things happen the same way every time. If you've been in this industry long enough, you've seen what happens when control breaks down. Wrong material, missed requirement, a step skipped because we've done this 100 times. That's where risk shows up. AS9100 exists to close those gaps before they become problems. At its core, this standard is built on a few simple ideas. Know what's required, control how the work is done, verify that it was done right, and fix it when it's not. That's it. Everything else is structure around those principles. You'll see different pieces of the system: planning, operations, risk management, supply chain control. Don't think of those as separate boxes. They're all connected. What purchasing does affects what shows up at your machine. What engineering defines affects how you build the part. What happens on the floor affects what the customer receives. It's one system, and every step matters. One of the biggest shifts in AS9100 is risk-based thinking. Not reacting after something goes wrong, but asking, what could go wrong here before it does? That might be verifying material before you cut it, double-checking a setup that looks right, or stopping when something feels off, even if it slows things down. So what does this mean day to day? It means follow the process, even when you think you know a better way. Keep things identified and traceable. Don't assume, verify. And don't work around problems, because every workaround becomes tomorrow's failure. This system only works if people use it, not because it's required, but because it protects the work. The part in front of you might go into an aircraft, a defense system, or a semiconductor application where failure isn't visible until it's too late. That's the level of responsibility we're working at. AS9100 isn't about paperwork. It's about control, consistency, and accountability. Doing the job right when no one is watching. At the end of the day, this isn't a quality department system. It's how we operate. And if we do it right, we don't just meet requirements. We build trust with our customers and with each other.
If you have any questions or need further clarification, please reach out to the author of this training. You can contact Robert Gallegos, Director of Quality and Engineering. Questions are always encouraged, because a well-understood system is a controlled system.